If you roll a die 3 times, what is the probability of getting only even numbers? Well, on the die, we have 6 sides with the numbers 1 through 6. So we have 6 total numbers. How many are even? 2, 4, 6. 3 out of 6 are even. Simplified, that's 1/2, because 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So that's 1/2 for the first roll. Don't pick 1/2. Why? Because this particular problem is referring to 3 times you're going to roll the die, not 1. So time 1, you're going to have the probability of 1/2. The next time you roll the die, time 2, it's 1/2. The next time you roll the die, time 3, it's 1/2. Multiply those together. Multiply straight across. 1 times 1 times 1 is going to be 1. Multiply on the bottom straight across. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. The answer for this is 1/8. Answer choice B, and now you're an expert.